Hi, my name is Anya, and today I will be teaching you guys how to make samosas in honor of the holiday Diwali. If you don't know what samosas are, they are a South Asian fried pastry that has a savory filling of meat or vegetables. Today, I will be teaching you guys how to make vegetable samosas. Let's get started. Okay, to make the dough, you're going to use 2 cups of flour, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and 2 tablespoons of oil. Then you will add some water, but you're going to start off with 1/2 cup, and then gradually add more if needed. To start off with the dough, we are going to be using 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of oil, and then after that, we are going to slowly mix this with our hands. As you can see, I've mixed the oil and the salt together, but now it's time to add the water. Add a little bit at a time and start mixing with your hands. You should slowly be kneading the dough. Keep adding more when needed. After adding all the water and kneading the dough, your dough should look like this. Set aside for 30 minutes. Okay, so to start off, you're going to want to have 1 pound of mashed potatoes, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon of whole spice powder, 1/2 cup of chopped coriander, 1 tablespoon of chopped green chili, and then you're just going to mix it all together. This is what it should look like after it has been mixed. Many people add green peas to taste, but it's ultimately your choice. I will be adding them. Okay, now we're going to look at our dough. It's been set aside for 30 minutes, and what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to wet your hands and then knead the dough again for about 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, now I just took a little piece of the dough and now I'm making it into a ball. After that, I'm going to coat it in regular flour, and then after that, I will be rolling it out. It's important that you roll it out little by little and make a nice circle or oval shape for the samosa. After it has been rolled out, it should look like this. Now what you're going to want to do is just simply cut it in half so you have 2 semicircles. It should look like this. Okay, now comes the tricky part, adding the filling in. So what you're going to want to do first is just simply wet the edges of the dough with water. Then you're going to want to start folding it up like in a cone-like shape. And you really want to make sure that you press those edges together just so nothing falls out or pops when we are going to fry it later. Okay, then you just add the filling in like so. Start with a little bit at a time and then gradually add more if there's room. Then you're just going to want to pinch it and seal it up like so. And you should be getting a triangle-like shape. So this is the finished product after I assembled all of the samosas, and now we're going to start frying. So if you are a kid making this, make sure you have a trusted adult around you, as the oil can be very hot and can fly everywhere. So for right now, I'm putting in 3 samosas and we're gonna fry them. This is what they should be looking like after they're fried. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have fun cooking and have a very happy Diwali.